Scheiß Wörter nicht geht. Du musst gut genug, musst du den aufchecken. Da bitte kommen wir schon. Oh mein Gott.
Hello all.
Hello and welcome back to a graveyard session. I mean, a graveyard keeper session. Last time played that game, just actually kind of 6 years old. Or longer. Yeah, somehow. I just, sitting on toilet and fighting against the toilet paper, because the toilet paper actually all the times when I just, you know, get it off on the toilet paper roll, it just does whatever it wants. Alright. Fuck that toilet paper stuff. Yeah. The whole day I tried actually to live stream, actually I couldn't. I was pissed. He's done a little bit here, a little bit there. I was really... Then I was hungry, watching all the times these the Preluders or something. With Roger Moore and these James Wilder, or what was his name? Actually very funny, somehow good. I'm not done yet. Half through on these 24 episodes. Drink too much coffee definitely today. So this one actually goes 2.5 hours long, or shorter. But let's just see what's going on in here. And yeah. We will see. So first up, of course, this prelude. I'm sorry for that one, that just went away. Was a little bit too fast actually to go online here. So we'll jump in this one. Go to the menu and actually go into the preload. I just played a little bit forward. So what happened actually before was these graveyard keeper here. Actually, just was meeting actually Burl up actually these Gary, and after that he meet actually the donkey that brings the corpses, and then inspect the corpses, get the corpse into the graveyard. And then these church guy came in and say you get permissions actually for if you bury actually these blah blah corpses to get actually home. And so on. Now we actually at home again. Somehow in the graveyard home, I mean, not at home. But this guy actually wants to go home. Now I need to fulfill actually his destiny somehow. Let's say, you need to get home to your love. He was overdriven because he was watching cell phone, very funny, for 8 years or 6 years ago I played that. I saw the first time actually child runs around with cell phones in the hand and just running around, right? So, what with jazz crims? Hold on, just that was actually finally actually doing a good job in here, right? Because they're still doing that with cell phones and don't take attention actually somewhere else. So he was overdriven and couldn't go back from supermarket actually home to his love. To wake up actually in this nightmare or dream or whatever it is. Seriously, it's for 8 hours. Years ago, or 6 years ago, I just played that. I do not know where we or at or something. The graveyard keeper dimension. So yeah, get a beer from the tavern. That Gary actually gives you a little bit more stuff to tell. And the other one wants to reach actually graveyard to the +5 of illumination or something. Do not know what that means. As you see, we have already actually fished a little bit. We have some honey. We have already faith. And we got a 666,666 gold. Impossible to get anywhere in the game in 10 years. So welcome to the safe wizard era. I just actually did things, copied from my other save into that save. I did that the whole day. Failure here, failure there, blue screen, blah 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 blah. I did my best, so we got actually the sword already maxed out. We have a maxed out fishing rod, maxed out hammer, axe, and the pickle and shovel, but it's still actually not working yet. So yeah, let's see what's going on. We got the steel armor, and we got a 1 million horsepower. I mean, HP, life. Why is it calling HP? Health points? Yeah, horsepower. I do not know. As you see, actually, we have technology 0. We can shovel them somewhere else in here right now. Things still in here as well. Huh? Oh, that was fast. got that stone here. We got the certification we can sell. Get that faith. Water. I think that's important for later. Actually, we could take whatever it means to us, right? Because we've got a 300 slots instead of 20 slots. So I just slipped. yeah, I slipped. Alright, well, what we have to be done in here is actually go to these weird tavern or something. The good thing is we have actually a good stone in here. we can walk, or we can actually go over there with a little having fun session. Hold on, we already sliced something. We have now baked meat. Why not? Oh, I can't craft because we don't have sticks. Sure. Let's see what the stone says. We can go to the dead horse immediately. Let's do it. That is stupid. So this is still the beginning of the game. Seriously, the first day. The first day, man. Arr. So when I start up, actually came on an idea like, where the people coming from? They're not really talking, right? So let's do the talking from them. Could find out actually there are some people out there you don't understand what they're talking anyway. You wanna sell me something or what? There's something we want to know. Receipts always good. Thank you. Have a nice day. I'll be paid for nothing, right? I'll be paid a little bit. Hey, what do we get? Sounds like that. About this barrel certificate. Oh shit, I do not know what I just typed in. You're the dead horse, no joke. Hula hula. Astrologiker, what is that? So we had 2010 or 2000 or 200 or you really do not know. We need a stamp here for the selling meat from the corpses. Oh my god. I don't have. La la. The real duldul. Duldul. Let's trade. Let's give me all you got. Oh, you're looking so suspicious. Shut up. Oh, what happened? I just pressed once. You son of a. About that letter you wanted delivered. What's with the letter? I do not know what the hell is going on here anyway. So we have already a teleport stone. So we need tier 2 and 3 actually to get better things. Sounds good. So we can actually buy stuff in here. In 10 years. Oh, no, we have exactly 666,666. Love it. Also, he got money as well right now for himself. It's very important because actually in some games you can actually sell him as much as you want. Put this game a little bit intelligentical. She says now he got 94k on silver. I mean 94 silver? Sorry. He buying the teleport stone again. I have no clue why we have to do that stuff. So I do not know what's going on, but let's sell this stuff again. And buy again or something, right? Normally we're making minus, but this is the only option we can have to do done this. Oh, it's working. Seriously? No joke. Oh, that's fantastic. Why we don't make new prizes to open up your business for some special? Oh my god, we can really do that. My gosh. Okay, we lost a lot of money. Actually, not much. But in the beginning, you get actually these. You see the bronze one, then the silver, and then the gold, right? So you earned actually a good nose in here. Ah, sorry, it was my nose. Alright, we're done with that shit. Where I have to go? Yeah, that's funny, we're already in the dead horse. That was always something like you can't go in there somehow. Oh my god, now we go. I get it. Exit. This door is closed until the Horadric got 30 gringes. You can open up this one? No? Oh man, I tried actually to get in there and beat the shit out of the kid. Don't want to say that. Psst. Alright, we're done in here. Whoa, what's going on in here? No shit, Dead Horse Turban. We done. Alright, that's nice. So we can do whatever you want in here. And boom, we get actually on a hunt. Hold on. Did I just... I multiplicate actually everything with 100? Are you kidding me? Wow, that looks so nice. That is so crazy good looking. Oh my god. Oh, but what got 100 in here and 1 there? That's fucked up. Alright, whatever. How many stones we get? 3. Okay. Let's see. We slaughter this one. Takes a little while. Axe pick, nothing. Right, that's amazing how it works. So we can actually do done stuff in here to buy stuff from other people's. This guy's an idiot. We can talk in the day, not now. Yeah. It's all the time. Oh my god, it's so amazing. Why I get a recept actually before I just... that's the weirdest ever. I just want to buy something and they just give me a recept. As they just say to me, you're an idiot. You can't handle it anyway, I just give you a recept to cook. Oh, interesting. Weird. But look, the bearders out there. This guy must be crazy. Bullshit. Oh yeah, there's another guy that say all the time, bull. Shut up. Shut the shot. Bringing honey pots. So we do the same shit like actually in all those things. We buy. And then we get actually tier 2, right? We call it tier 2? Or tier 2 or tier 2? That is crazy. Oh, that was just luck by getting 100. Okay. I just wait for that. There was actually one guy who really speaks like that. Oh sure, take care actually your log now. I can't get it away. Oh, fucking sake. What the hell are you doing? Sometimes you get actually multiplicated on 100. Sometimes only 1. Why can't take the apple? What a shit show. If you just ask why I take the flowers, I'm a graveyard keeper, and so we graveyard keepers. We are. Oh, we need the technology to just pick up an apple. You piece of son of a. Oh, you fucking insane. No, I think it's behind that apple tree. There's a mushroom then. Maybe that's why. A piece of stone. What's up, mate? Right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ist das für eine Sprache? Same about the German right now. Was ist das für eine Sprache? Oh, right. Watch too much into the light or something. Can you give me a recipe or something, this crack, you mother talk? Yeah, Noah here, blah blah blah. Oh, can I actually get a, oh fuck, what is that? I have the moths for you. Where can I get moths? Let's get the tier 2 or something. Why don't I sell fishes on him? Actually, I don't need, but I don't care. Oh, that gives us nothing. He's an asshole. What happened when I'm selling something on him? Do we get something? Oh. 20 only. Oh, we don't can sell it back? You're a real asshole, you know that? I sell you that stuff, you don't want to sell it back. You piece of motherfucker. You whore. Cack. Ass crack. Oh, look at that. We can sell him that one and sell it back. It gives us nothing. Really, it just says nothing. You mother. These items are locked until the vendor gets tier 10. Maybe there are stuff out there to sell him to get fosters, but this is... How? Give me my fishes back, you son of a reek. I hate him. Not really, don't bring nothing, right? Nothing. He somehow resisted something about that crack. He's a real asshole. Oh, look, we can sawing. Why are we doing that? Sawing. Blueprints, sawhorse, crate, flitch. Ah, that's flitch. You know what flitch is? Flitch means actually kind of shaking or flitch. What's that called? You have problems actually. With your eyes or something. But flitch is it's just actually a sawed wood pile or something, or I didn't know. So that's flitch. I'm making firewood. We need actually of these one. Okay. To the NPC, nothing changed. Not even to Horik. That's a name, man. Horadric. Horadric. her ass crack. So as you see, it filled somehow. Somehow, yeah. Let's get us some other idle stuff. What the hell? We can't get something out of here? We need the technology to just getting us some stupid berries. That's just crazy, mother. Hell. I wonder actually where the stupid beach is. Oh, we can go through here? Oh, we can't go down below there. Nah. Die, you tree. Die. Die. Oh my god. I think I'm going nuts or something. Look at that, we can actually do, what's that called? Repair kit. Wow. Oh look, there's something. New technology, just get the... Okay, weird. So the bigger trees we can actually give away. What the hell is that? Can't do something on them. Oh, it gives us a lot of points. Really? Wow, that's crazy. You don't care about rain or something? Chopping all the trees in town and all this stuff. Like you can suck my ass off or something. Well, there's a woodworking and we can actually then make a repair kit as well. Alright, we can do this one as well. And take this one. Nice. There's only one of them. Now this gives a lot. Oh, that's crazy. The guy has hungry. Oh, being hungry. Hold on. We can eat stuff. You have 16 times the stuff, right? Whoa, that's crazy. Oh, what happened now? Okay. Whoa, why is it shaking? Whoa, what is wrong in here? Oh, here we go. I do not know why it was doing that. Well, we have now a rod. Let's swing! So I can't remember how that works again, so I just push when I push. Like now. I fucked it up. Here we go. Waiting. You piece of fish! You piece of fish. Yay! My first fish. Actually. Looks like he's getting this so much away. You're not going anywhere, you little shit. That's the same fish? You fucking moron. It's like the same crabfish as well. Oh, I hate that. That's the same crabfish. You can suck my ass from inside. Yeah, you know what's going on in here. Blitz getroffen. Ja, ja. A nice mate, actually. Verrecker sollst. Who the hell are you? The Gapsy Baron. Just keep up under his armpits or something. Oh, really? Get away, get away. Oh, that looks very healthy. Let's get it on. I can remember actually there was something like a cave nearby. Like this one, right? But maybe there you can make bombs up later or something. So we can't. Alright, we don't can fall them. I don't know why. Ah, here we go. That's a sign for. Please do not axe them away or something. Ja, der Spinner steht ja immer noch draußen. Hey, you weirdo. Hobo, Hobo, Dingsbums. Bull, bull, bull. What task? Bring him an iron axe. Ja, gut. Just you know, be right back. And we never saw him again. Who the heck are you? No. Take them all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Where that came from is more from. Give a fuck. It's the next day, right? Let's look about that turban. Get into. You cramble crack. What do you want from me? Another receipt crap? Already got them. Oh, let's just take them. Sup, my mate? Got new stuff in town, aren't you? Ass crack. Give me all you got. Can we swing faster over them? No. I don't know why I'm doing that. The biggest problem is you can sell them. And you actually can't do nothing on them. You can't back sell them as well. That's weird. Don't ask why I'm doing that. Just give me everything you got. I'm a rich boy, you know. I'm very rich, master. Give me all your stinky onions as well. Where's my mice? My mouse? Where's my keyboard mouse? Where's my... Oh man, how's it calling, man? I'm tripping. What's that guy doing? was raped. Oh, look who's coming! A guy with weird dress. Oh, there was a game out there actually that was doing stuff like that. Scam him to cure his hiccups. Hold on. Scare him to cure his hiccups. Let's first trade before we have a bad deal or something coming up. Give me all you got. Hey, I should camp tomorrow. Oh, yeah, have a nice time. Boo! What was that? Like, boo. Have a nice day, man. It's an old granny there. What's with these holes, actually? I'm sorry. Let's kill all these plants around until Granny comes out. I'm gonna make every sufferer bleed in here. Get your ass swing out, Granny! Now she's seriously not actually scared. You fat ass out! Oh, we can mining then. Alright, let's mining then. And you have something to mining then? Oh, you have receipts, right? Excuse myself. Oh man, I hate that. I do not know why I'm coughing all the time, so I'm sitting like... Shut the fuck up. So we have receipts. Yes. Do another one. I do not know what that is. Oh, there's Granny. Yo, what's up, Granny? Oh, it's Adam. It's a guy. I thought that's a girl. Oh my god. So we can buy some... Don't ask what that is. Can we sell him something? You son of a... Yeah, go yourself. You crack. So we have... Another one. Oh, we can destroy them. Awesome. We know already, but I don't care. So that's it, right? No receipts anymore. Okay. Why don't I steal something here? Stealing. It's my duty to steal. Are you kidding me? I can't do the mushrooms. Oh, here we go. There's the... Son of a... Shut up, he said. You always saying shut up. Piece of crack. Let me see what you got, you mother tucker. so we can buy stuff from him. We can sell it again. We can sell the Ignite, something I call. We can sell the stuff as well. But I think it does not do something. What about that one? Hmm. 50-50. Okay, it says actually. Yeah. Oh, it does a bit. Takes a little while. Try them again. Does nothing. Okay. Okie dokie. Does nothing. Does a bit. Sell it back actually. Does a lot. Okay, twice we need to do. I know we're losing a lot of money, but I don't care, we have a lot of money, right? A lot fall actually off the truck. Don't know what that belongs to be, but I don't care. It belongs actually to these rich guys. I think that's the last time we're doing that. Damn it! Come tomorrow. Thank you, have a nice day, blah blah blah. Need to get, there we go, sporty. Holy shit, that was too fast. Hey homeboy, what you laughing at? Have a nice day. Tough boy. Man, I hate that to go surrounding somewhere in here. Where was actually that beach again, man? For kind of half hour ago, it just played it actually say you have to go actually complete to the right and go down. I couldn't find it. Oh, cool. Maybe gas for 1 bucket of water. So there is a millsman, I think, somewhere, a honeyman. I'm sorry, I just talk like that because it's the beekeeper. Here we go. Oh. Give me all you got. I'm the rich boy in here. Thank you very much. There's another guy, I think, up in here. Yeah, here. Oh my god, the question stuff and oh man, just give us stones. See if we can sell him as well something. Oh yeah, me too. Look at the prices totally retarded. Are we selling better prices than actually he gives us? What? I buy for 28 or 15. And for 10 more, I just get actually on silver, so 145. So what? He's an idiot. I get 8 silver more than I... No, I'm confused. Well, so we get money from it? What? No, I'm confused, whatever, just... Oh my god, we're actually my stones. My piece of stones. Huh? I'm confused. Now I got 40? I sell him for 9. Ah, there we are. Oh, that takes for... Just give me a second. Another stuff to keep on? No. Just that stuff. I think I make a total minus all the time, so what can it be? Oh, what I'm doing? Let's make this man rich. Seriously, get richer. Let's open up the tier 2. Tier 2. What is it called in English? For sake, I'm so sorry. Tier 2 or tier 2? There we go. And come tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Goodbye. Good night. Have something like. Holy shit, it's just gone. Are you ignoring me? Why you can't do that one in here? That's weird. Nothing special in here. Shut your mouth. That's so weird, right? Oh, look, another guy. So unfunny. Oh, no way. Cool. Holy shit. Can we sell them this back? Oh yeah, we can. Oh, even we can do more. That's tight actually already. And done. What the hell? It's weird, there was 2 watchers, actually 3 watchers, then 1 watcher vanquished and the other one immediately as well. Like say, go yourself, you fucker. While I'm typing online it says live, then I'm going live, pressing live, immediately on YouTube it says, oh, you're not live anymore, in a millisecond. You creme de la creme. But these programs is stupid. It's stupid. This goes, I mean, Dings and Boomsy. Not to that guy. That he's closing like, or whatever. New day, new luck? No luck. Okay. Bye bye then. Oh, you have a frog in your throat or something? Whoa, 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 easy up. Don't talk when I'm trade, actually. It's so great. So I think we got everything. Oh, the trader is actually gone as well. Whoa, is he going faster now? Speeding up like shit. Oh my god, please shoot me. Give me all your money you got. Somehow I hear things from the background. Oh, can sell him back? You heard the noise as well in the background, right? Ooh, come tomorrow. Thank you very much. Who the fuck are you? Here we go again. Oh, there's the middleman. Come on, let's keep it moving before midday. I think that's gonna be shitty. That was luck. I'm telling you. Hustle, hustle. Why he's talking all the time to him? Hustling, hustling. Hey, give me everything you got. Hey! It says the item locked until the banana. Oh, I just need to sell once one. No problem, my sir. There we go. And I buy back. Thank you. Hey, hold on, can we still buy? Oh. Oh shit. I thought actually we could buy it already. Well, let's shop that tree near while actually that graveyard. Because I'm a real asshole, I am. Can fix it? Amazing how it looks now. Like the same like before. Okay, we don't can fix nothing here. What the hell is that? I love that when he's making this up. It's just a let's speed up. It's amazing. Come on, dude! Why is not making this up anymore? It's hard. One of the hardy boys. Whoop-pow. Looks a lot, mate. Mighty. Oh, come on! Was geht's dich denn an, alter Hohlschädel? Jetzt verzapft er mir hier. I just can't actually pick up actually apples. Question? Oh, sorry, that was myself. Are you fucking kidding me? Huh? From what he was eating now. How's he caring? Do you doing that actually, like humbling around like head, something like that? These one head. I don't. That extremely hurts actually. So we can do stuff in here. But first, before we do this stuff, just actually getting stuff like these. Clean the yard. I can't remember on this game it was popping back then or just I really do not know actually. So look at the screen sign. Let's look the book about people's here we go. There's the Mechant. It came actually on the Tower sign. The other one came the Bishop on the Violet Sun sign, but there was nothing else, right? Nah. Alright, cool. So we're free for that one. I need technology to do what? It's even smaller than a tree we cut off before, right? Oh, the guy's waiting. He's just eating air. Little swamp in here. Oh, I need technology for that stuff. I get lost. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. So working anyway. No joke. This is how we doing this. There was that. I need a property clean. Alright. Yeah, mushrooms. Plates for stones. So there's this donkey there. Hold on a second. What's up, donkey? Hard. He's breathing out his asshole, something he's talking about. Bastard. Poor donkey. You shit out actually a corpse? Can't speak that language. Where are you going? Hello? What an ass. Oh. I should give a hold on. We're making another C, but actually I should give you in the same time beer. What the fuck? Alright, well we can't deal done in here. This one. ask why I'm just ripping off actually the skeleton. Skin the corpse. Now I have no energy anymore. Are you just eating your cake like that? Okay. On no body part. Eats herself back. I think I got these beer you want to talk about. I thought you wouldn't just have some beer. Real asshole you are. I need to cut off some flesh first. I did. Oh my god, the game is over. Pallet. Put the body on the autopsy table and slice some meat off it. Maybe I should get it back or something? Oh my god. Okay. Slice some meat off. Let's do it again. Okay. I did, right? You know, you can suck my ass from inside. Oh, I can't take it. Now we're trapped. The game is just fucked up. I did already. What do you want from me? Well, that's the weirdest stuff I ever just did. Huh. Get a beer from the tavern. Just telling you that shit now. Oops, sorry. I'm confused now. So bring on actually the flesh part again. Okay, let's do this one. So I did. I'm really confused now. Yeah. Fuck it. And we fucked up as